Hi friends, welcome to our YouTube channel Londhe OSC. In this video, I will tell you that which method or steps that can use to improve your language. These steps and methods will be really useful to those people who are from vernacular medium. That means those people who are from Marathi, Hindi, Urdu, Kannada, Telugu and all the regional languages which they speak at their home in their own mother tongue. Friends, you know very well that it is very difficult to these people to speak English because they all time when they at home, when they at school, when they at outside, when they speak with their neighbor, friends, family, relatives, they speak in their own mother tongue. And when they try to learn English language, it is very difficult to them because they learn it very easily, but they are not able to implement all those learnable thing in their daily practice. So this is the main reason behind it, which has to be overcome. Now you will tell me that you have spoken about which things or steps has to be followed to improve English language. The very first step I want to tell you that desire. Yes, do not stop your desire to speak English language. If you want to really speak English language, then you have to learn first of all. I'm not here English trainer, teacher, advisor or whatever. I am from Marathi medium. I have been learning English language since I have completed my schooling. After schooling, when I enter into college, I faced so many difficulties to speak English language because in the college there were so many students, those who are from convent school, some of them are English medium school, and those students spoke very nicely. I was very fascinated about it. I really wanted to speak like them. Even I was wishing to God that God one day make me so empowered that I could speak English like them. I'm not telling you that I am now empowered and I'm able to speak English language that much. But this thing has to be established in your mind that you always have to do improvement. Never think yourself that you have learnt now. You keep focusing on learning. Always feel yourself as a student. So here in this video, I'll tell you which method or steps that you can use to build up your language. So if you really want to improve your English, then you have to follow this simple steps. Those who are from Marathi, Hindi, Urdu and all from vernacular medium, those people, they have to follow this thing, and that is whenever you speak any sentence in your own mother language, try to translate that sentence in English immediately in your head, in your mind. The thinking process should be continuous in your head. Then only you will be able to speak English in the future. See, speaking English is it's an easy task, okay? But speaking continuous English is very difficult task. You could speak 5 to 10 sentences with anybody once you started, but it is very difficult to speak with the person 1 hour, 2 hours, 3 hours or more hours. So if you are beginner, if you are learning English right now, then these things very important to you. First, and before for that, you have to learn all the 12 tenses. Once you understand and learn and mug up all the 12 tenses, whenever you speak sentence in your mother tongue or your own language, try to translate the sentence in your head continuously, and the process should be very fast. It should be faster than earlier one. The day by day your English will be improved, and this is the only reason why so many people who are from Marathi or vernacular medium, they are able to speak English language very finely. As my name is Ajit Londhe, I am also from Marathi medium, and I have taken time hard work to improve my English. Here I am speaking with you because of that. It requires some confidence which I build through this way. The second thing is that improve your vocabulary. Maybe you have heard this thing from so many YouTubers, but the thing is right, but they have not told you the proper way. If you want to really improve your vocabulary, then make a diary. Note every single difficult word which you haven't heard till the date. Write that word in the diary. Also the meaning, not English but in your own language. Yes, write the meaning in your own language and use that word once in a day in your speaking. What will happen? Whenever you speak this sentence whenever you use these words in your speaking, ultimately your confidence will rise up, and that is the best thing to improve your language. And the third thing is that once you understand how to translate, once you understand how to use vocabulary in your daily speaking, the third and most important step that you have to follow is nothing but only is practice, practice, practice. Do practice whenever you get time. I know you will say that it is very hard to us when we at home, at work, at when we speak with neighbor, friends and relatives, we speak sentences in mother tongue. We don't find any person with whom we can speak English language. So friends, I'll tell you, I'm not sponsoring any apps, any company over here in this video. I'm telling you that there are many ways to speak English with tutor. There are so many tutors on the many applications which you can use and you can speak with them. This is the actually paid version. But suppose you made a friendship with one of your friend, he's from English medium and he's doing work somewhere else in the corner of your area, and whenever in the day, if you want to speak, if you want to really speak with that friends in English, that time just call him or do video call. Okay, take some time from him or her and speak with them. This is the only and best solution for overcoming of your fearness, so you can build up confidence among you and you will speak English language one day. So friends, this all thing I told you in this video. In next video I will tell you some more important tips and tricks which you can use in your daily speaking and you can improve your language. I will meet you in next video. Till then, keep learning.